Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the organization as system. Why organization as system? What does it mean? Everyone may be feeling doubts of organization as system. Yes, it's very important of this that we should understand about external environments, government, society, culture, economics. Inside it also include leadership, include operations, finance and administration, facility and information system, sales and customer relation, human resource, also in size. All the dots are working together as a circle becomes the organization as a system. So that's right, organization as system is very important in the business. Let me discuss further about organization as system. I want you to picture for a moment the human body, your heart, doesn't decide on its own to beat faster. It responds to signal from your lung, your muscle, your brain. Every part depends on every other part. Remove one, and the whole body suffers. That's not just biology, that's the very definition of a system. And today, I want to talk about why we should see organization the exact same way. For a long time, people thought of organization as a collection of box on the chart. Departments stack neatly on tops of one another, each doing its own job reporting upward, but the view is incomplete and frankly outdated. An organization is not a static structure. It is a living, breathing system, a set of interconnected parts working together towards a common purpose. So what does that actually mean? First, it means independent. In the system, no department is an island. When marketing make a promise, operation have to deliver on it. What when finance tighten the budget, HR feel it's in hiring. A decision made in one corner of the company grapple. Outwards, whether we intend it to or not. Second, it means input and output, just like a systems in nature. An organization takes in resource, people, capitals, information, processes them through structures and culture, and produce output, product, service value. If something goes wrong at any stage of that process, the output suffers, no matter how good any single department look on paper. Third, and maybe most importantly, it's mean feedback. Healthy system listening to themselves, customer complaint, employee turnover, declining sales, these aren't just isolated problem. Their feedback loop telling the organization some things need to adjust. Organization that ignore feedback don't stay healthy for long. It is need to remember organization that ignore feedback don't stay healthy for long. Why does this matter to us? Because when we treat our organization as a true system, not a set of silos, we start making smarter decisions. We start optimizing one's departments at the expense of another. We start asking how does this choice affect the whole, instead of how does this look for my team. Peter Drucker once said that efficiency is doing things right, but effectiveness is doing the right thing. A system use of organization pushes us towards effectiveness, toward seeing the bigger picture, not just our own piece of it. So as you go back to your team today, I'll leave you with this: think less like a department and more like Ernst organ in the living body. Your function matter, but it's only matters in relation to the whole. Yes. So thank you so much, everybody, and see you next session.